So how do you see your career in the future?
Okay. The AI, which integrates with our day-to-day process, not a complete AI or complete robot. You are conveying to the world that you are able to use AI. You are not afraid of the AI, that it won't take your job, and you are very eager to use the AI to improve your life. And by improving your life, you are able to save some time, and by saving the time, to get some data. Or if there are some new stuff that happening over there, I just ask the AI to give a summary, because I'm not a person who reads a lot. So I do not spend much time in reading. So I was like focusing, give so and so thing has happened in so and so industry. Give me a summarization that I can spend only 2 minutes to read. Specifically and not generic way, you need to give an elaborating way, like what are you expecting and how it should be given. And by this, what are you expecting? What kind of value you are expecting? By giving these 3 parameters, it will give an absolute answer.
So you are using your AI as an assistant.
Yeah, exactly.
This
Very
lot of the data sources are is being feeding to the AI. So hi everyone, in today's podcast I'm going to discuss with Jitesh for a very interesting topic, the future of UX domain and AI and AR. So he is going to share his thoughts. So let's get started. So how do you see your career in the future?
Okay. So my full focus is like I want to. Okay, I've done a research like what happens in the next 10 years or up to 5 years. It's not like extensive research, just a basic level. So what I thought was like, what are the domains or what are the new type of products that I'll be launching? When I looked into that, like augmented reality, that will be kind of a huge success and that will gain a lot of traction. And the second part is like the AI, which integrates with our day-to-day process, not a complete AI or complete robot. AI which helps us to boost up the day-to-day process. So I was focused, I think like these 2 parts will be going drastically and unimaginable way. Okay, so if I as a person or whom are watching the video are able to crack that part and gain into that industry, like you don't need to know every stuff. Just pick one stuff from that, pick one skill from that, and try to experience. And sorry, what is the perfect way to say that word? Like try to be an expert in that thing, in that skill alone, and try to understand the basic stuff that's happening over. Just not focusing on the expert level also, but also focusing on the other basic skills, so that you know what you're doing and you have a knowledge of what is happening over in other industries also or other departments. So by this way, you will be like future, like a bulletproof person. Even whatever the changes that happen, you will be able to adapt them according to the skill or whatever they are quickly in a faster way. So that is one thing. And second, by integrating with AI, you are conveying to the world that you are able to use AI. You are not afraid of the AI, that it won't take your job, and you are very eager to use the AI to improve your life. And by improving your life, you are able to save some time, and by saving the time, the people around you are also able to save them, like they are also making some money. The main focus is like saving the time and giving some value. So those are the 2 important things.
Excellent. So when it comes to AI part, so what are the things that you are using for AI?
Okay. So I've been using a lot of stuff in AI. So basically like ChatGPT, that is one thing. And I've also used the pi.ai, that is one website that I've been using just for fun way. And apart from that, like I've been using Copilot to generate images, and even Perplexity AI. Since it has some internet access, I can gain some summary over that. And mostly I use AI for data alone, like to get some data. Or if there are some new stuff that's happening over there, I just ask the AI to give a summary, because I'm not a person who reads a lot. So I do not spend much time in reading. So I was like focusing, give so and so thing has happened in so and so industry. Give me a summarization where I can spend only 2 minutes to read it. So that basically that whatever you tools or AI you use, the main thing is how the prompt is given to it. because you need to understand that it doesn't understand our language, and it understands the language based on numerical digits alone. And we need to specifically and not generic way, you need to give an elaborating way, like what are you expecting and how it should be given, and by this what are you expecting, what kind of value you are expecting. By giving these three parameters, it will give an absolute access.
All right.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you are using your AA as an assistant.
Yeah, exactly.
So in most of the cases, I am also using like an assistant only. So it's a fantastic assistant. So.
Yeah. But also in some cases it doesn't give our expectation level, but it's okay. It's constantly changing.
The reason is still it's not matured.
Yeah.
Fundamentally, it's been evolving. It's been growing like day by day. So currently, the data sources,
Very
a
low.
lot of the data sources is been feeding to the AI. So it takes little time to be stabilized.
Yeah, to stabilize, because so far this AI has been performing in this way. It is like a wow factor alone.
Yeah.
It was like in a very short span of time, we were like AI has been like invading us. If I want to say in a movie, in a filmic way.
Right. I hope you like this topic today, and if you have any queries, we will discuss on the comment section. I will catch you soon with another interesting conversation with another person. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
Small announcement. Recently, I had written a book, the book name called Foundations of UX Research. So this is a book. So this book is available on Amazon and Flipkart. Even in ebook also is been available. So I'm going to share the link in the description. If you want to buy this book, you can check out those links.